Good morning, students. Welcome. I am science teacher Sana SM, School MVM Eklari. Chapter 3 Life Processes in Living Organisms. Sexual reproduction in human being. This is our next topic. Now, male reproductive system and female reproductive system in human being. This is the next topic. The structure and functions of human reproductive system is shown in figure. First, human male reproductive system. In this male reproductive system of human consists of testes, various ducts and glands. Testes are present in the scrotum outside the abdominal cavity. Testes contain numerous seminiferous tubules. Germinal epithelium present in the tubules divide by meiosis to produce sperms. Those sperms are sent forward through various tubules. Sequence of those tubules is as red testes, vas efferens, epididymis, vas deferens, ejaculatory duct, and urinogenital duct. As the sperms are pushed forward from one duct to next, they become mature and able to fertilize the ovum. Seminal vesicles secrete their secretion in ejaculatory ducts. Semen is formed of sperms and secretion of all these glands. Semen is ejaculated out through penis. All the organs of male reproductive system are paired except urinogenital duct, penis and scrotum. Students, here 4 points, that means facts, surprising facts. One is length of each epididymis is about 6 meters. Second, length of sperm is about 60 micrometers. Such a small sperm cross the distance approximately 6.5 meter while passing out of male reproductive system. And fourth point is sperm needs large amount of energy. For this purpose, fructose is present in the semen. Our next topic is human female reproductive system. All organs of female reproductive system are in abdominal cavity. It included a pair of ovaries, a pair of oviducts, single uterus and a vagina. Besides, a pair of vulvourethral gland is also present. Generally, every month an ovum is released in abdominal cavity. Alternately from each ovary, free end of oviduct is funnel-like. An opening is present at the center of it. Oocyte enters the oviduct through that opening. Cilia are present on inner surface of oviduct. These cilia push the oocyte towards uterus. The next topic is gamete formation. Students, both the gamete, that is sperm and ovum, are formed by meiosis. Sperms are produced in testes of men from beginning of maturation till death. In case of women, at the time of birth, there are 2 to 4 million immature oocytes in the ovary of female fetus. An oocyte matures and is released from ovary every month from the beginning of maturity up to the age of menopause. Approximately 45 years of age. Menopause is the stoppage of functioning of female reproductive system at the age of about 45 to 50 years. Secretion of hormones controlling the functions of female reproductive system either stops or becomes irregular. This causes the menopause. Next topic is fertilization. Fertilization of zygote by union of sperm and ovum is called as fertilization. Fertilization is internal in humans. Semen is ejaculated in vagina during copulation. Sperms in the numbers of few million start their journey by the route of vagina to uterus to oviduct. One of Those few million sperms fertilize the only ovum present in the oviduct.